Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Double and thanks for always watching my videos, for sharing, liking, commenting. I appreciate you all. As you can see from what you are seeing here today, it is bread pizza. Yes, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious bread pizza. Don't go nowhere, watch till the end. So guys, as you can see, I have all my ingredients here ready that I'm going to use for the pizza bread. Okay, I have my dry pepper there, my black olives, I have my corn, also known as maize, I've got my Parmesan cheese as well, I have salt there too, I've got my sausage, my salami, yeah, and I've also got my olive oil. Yes, I also have my 4 pieces of bread, toast bread actually. Okay, so I'm going to, before I start with the bread, I'm going to toast it. Okay, first of all, I'm going to mix everything. I have like 4 tablespoons of ketchup there, and a little amount of thyme and black pepper. I'm going to add a little amount of salt to it as well, and also add a little olive oil to it too. So after adding that, I'm going to mix everything together. So after mixing, I'm going to let that stay, and here are my 4 pieces of toast bread that I've already toasted in the toaster. Okay, I used the toaster to toast the bread already. So now I'm going to start adding my mixed ketchup on the bread. Okay, so guys, just watch. This recipe is very easy to prepare, and in less than 15 minutes the food is ready. Yes, so I just have to just make sure that everything go on the bread like this. Okay, like do it properly. And yes, so after doing that, I'm going to start adding the cheese, the Parmesan cheese, to the bread. Okay, yes, you just have to put it like this, like little by little, because later on I'm still going to add another cheese to the bread. Okay, yes, so I'm just going to add everything like this till the bread is ready, like till the cheese goes on all the bread. Okay, yes guys, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have been watching my videos, please don't forget to do so. Subscribe, also click on the bell icon so that you will get a notification anytime I post a new video. You will always be notified. Okay guys, yes, thank you so much, and I know you are going to do that. So after that, I'm going to add my corn, also known as maize, to the bread. I'm going to add it to all 4. Okay, all the 4 bread. Okay, yes, so that's it. Just watch guys, it's very easy. Your kids are going to love this meal is very good. It is ideal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yes, so that's it guys. Like I said before, thank you also for sharing my videos. Please continue to share it. And now I'm going to start adding my sausage, my salami, to the bread as well. Okay, so you can use any sausage of your choice. Okay, but you have to add sausage to it too. Okay, so that it will have that pizza taste, yes. So after adding the sausage to the bread, I'm going to start adding the black olives. Okay, I'm going to start adding the olive to it till it goes on all the 4 bread that I have here. Yes guys, we all know that olive is also very healthy for the body. It is good to eat olive. You can also eat olive just like that on its own. Okay, you don't have to add it to anything. You can eat it like that. Okay guys, yes, as for me, I really love olives. I love eating it like that, and also like using it to make my salad. Okay, yes, like if I make my salad and olive is not there, it's not complete. It's like something is mixing, something is really missing, you know. Yes, so guys, that's it. As you can see, I've added all the olives to the bread. So now I'm going to add my cheese on top of the bread again. Okay, yes, you remember that cheese is also very important for pizza. Yes, so that it will give it that good taste, and that you know, that good looking taste and good aroma. Okay, yes, so as you can see, I have added it. So now I'm going to put my bread in the oven for 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so after 10 minutes I'm going to bring the pizza out. Yes, so now I'm going to put the pizza in the oven and let it stay for 10 minutes. And guys, as you can see, after 10 minutes, the pizza is out of the oven. The pizza is ready. The bread pizza is ready. Yes, guys, that's it. That's how I prepare this delicious bread pizza you are seeing here. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like by cutting it with my hand. Oops, it's a bit hot, but don't worry, I can handle that. So yes guys, and I tasted it. God, the taste is really like that pizza taste. Wow guys, you guys have to really try this. Give this a try, and when you do, leave it in the comment section. I would really love to read or hear your comment, like what you think about it. Just take a look at this deliciousness, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. That's how I prepared this bread pizza you are seeing here. So I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.